Hey friends, good morning. It's a beautiful day in sunny Colorado. It's very windy. It's been windy for a few days we've had high wind advisories, but we're gonna go back and take care of the chickens. I got a rock stuck here. Ready? Here we go.
My baby's doing Momma.
We're at the point in childhood, I feel like, where the kids always have accessories with them. I'm gonna lock that. Had some strange characters on the homestead lately. Always important to teach situational awareness instead of stranger danger, but I like to be aware of my surroundings. So what we need is a purple bucket. So these chickens, we need to have a plan. I know a lot of people have asked. No, they're not coming with us to PA for a few reasons. It would be very difficult for us to bring that many birds with us, and then our children and our things. A lot of people, I feel like, aren't really factoring in all of that when we say we're not taking them. No, we did not plan to move when we got them, so there's just like a lot of different things involved with that decision making. And also our vet farm person said that the altitude might not be good for some of those birds, so we are going to bring them back to a farm that we got them from. And we also have a friend that's very interested, so they will be going to Loving Homes. You don't need to worry about that, but it is time to start planning that leg of our journey, so we will be doing that today. I need to meal prep, and I'm going to bring you along with me. It is a new month and a new me, and we are just going strong on this channel. So if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Tori, and we make videos about preparedness and survivalism and mom life, and we do it all on a budget. So if you like that kind of thing, hit the subscribe button and let's get into our day. Whole lot of eggs, huh? Duck eggs, buddy. Oh, get them some clean water, although they prefer to drink the dirty water. We still try. Beautiful day in Colorado. Let me know how your weather is. I hear it's windy everywhere. I hear we're gonna get some cold, but hopefully not. And look at the irises. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 irises. That is incredible. So very excited. And it looks like we do have some coming out. So they survived the great chicken eating, but sunflowers are gonna pop up randomly like they always do. We love it. Can't wait. I'll get it, but you need to come on down, girls. Duck eggs. If you ever were thinking about getting ducks and they tell you to love on those ducks every single day, just know sometimes, it doesn't work, because we loved and hugged everyone. The closest one is Winnie. It's really windy, so I'm going to bring you inside here. Okay, we have one down for a nap, and the goal is to make some lunch prep. So I take each day and try and just do dinner prep one day, breakfast prep, lunch prep, or, snack prep. And I feel like that has been helping us, but I will say we do eat, different foods for different, occasions. So we don't always eat breakfast food. We don't always eat lunch food, if that makes sense. So I'm going to do peanut butter and jellies. I'm just going to do this whole thing, put it in the fridge, and then go from there. You can make like Uncrustables with these, but my kids like the a crust. And we are just using this honey wheat bread from Kroger. It was in the freezer and it got down to, I feel like it was like 89 cents in the discount. So we have a bunch of those and we're trying to go through it. We do the Welch's Natural Concord grapefruit spread. I'm not a fan, but the kids enjoy it. And then we do the natural creamy peanut butter. So it just has 2 ingredients. But this is an example of an 80-20 situation. We try and do our best, but our budget can only go so far. We're doing baked chicken for chicken salad sandwiches, and then I'm gonna do a thing of beef jerky in the dehydrator. This has been marinating overnight, so I'm excited. And then we're also going to wash and boil some eggs for hard-boiled eggs, egg salads, and all those things. And then we are just gonna have some toast with eggs and avocado. So we're gonna take you along.
If I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can call home. But it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black, 'cause it's black, it's all black, black water. If I had some time, I'd be biting it well, but my house is on fire, there's no one left to tell. Just take what is given, the doors have been sealed. Just breathe in the poison and hope God is real. I'll pick you violet flowers if I get there faster than you. I'll pick you violet flowers if I get there faster than you. 'Cause it's mad, yeah, it's mad. Oh, the whole world's mad. 'Cause it's mad, it's all mad. It's mad out there. 'Cause it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black. 'Cause it's black, it's all black, black water. Cause it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black. Cause it's black, it's all black, black water, oh, black water. Cause it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black. Cause it's black, it's all black, black water. fast like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies. What did we know? We were so very young. Four-leaf clover. Look what you've got. Changing colors more often than not. Same old horizon looks different to you. Breaking silence, so easy to do. The heart in the past changes so fast like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies. What did we know? We were so